done.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Dipesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Pixel camera with portrait mode in MiA1. And you can get the portrait mode in front and back camera of your mobile without having a dual camera. So guys, before proceeding, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe us and hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. Now if you done that, let's get started. First of all, let me tell you this will only work if your device is running on the Android O. If not, then please upgrade your device. In my case, I am using the Xiaomi MiA1, which is already running on the Android 8.0. So guys, first of all, you have to install Magisk Manager in your device. And let me also tell you all the links and all the files whatever required in this video. I'll put the link all of them in the description of this video. So once you enable the Magisk Manager in your device, you have to turn on your data and just connect it with your Wi-Fi network or your data connection, and it will ask you to install the latest version of the Magisk Manager. And in pop-up menu, it will ask you to install Magisk. You just have to click on install, and here you will get a method to install Magisk. I also recommended to go with the direct install method. So after clicking on direct install, it will start downloading Magisk Manager.zip file and automatically start flashing this file. And once it flashes, you just have to click on reboot and your mobile will be rebooted. And let me also tell you, if you don't know, Magisk does not means root your mobile. So this will not also gonna harm your OTA updates. So once you install the latest Magisk Manager app on your device, you just have to open it and swipe it from left. You will get an option called module. Now go to module, then click on this plus button. It will redirect you in your file manager. Now after clicking on this plus button, you have to flash two files in your device. First one is camera to API enabler zip, and another one is Magisk permissible version 1.1.zip. So once you flash the both of them, you just have to reboot your mobile. So as I said earlier that you can download all the required files from the link in the description of video. So do check it out. Now once your mobile is booted up, make sure that both of the Magisk module is enabled. Now once you're done with that, you have to download the GCam mode application from link in the description of video. This is the modded version of the Google camera, and in my case this version, which I'm gonna put in the description of video, is working fine with the MiA1. You may need to download any other version of this application if you are using any different device. So once you install it, just open it, allow whatever permission it asks, and swipe from left. You will get a portrait mode option here. Now before going to portrait mode, just go to settings, and here set config camera plus HDR settings to Nexus 6 auto mode, and set model to Nexus 6P, and do not change any other settings. Now to apply all of these settings, you have to reboot your mobile. The setting which I show here is working fine with the MiA1, and if you are using any other device, then you might have to try the different combinations of the settings. Now once your mobile is rebooted, you can start using this application. Now watch this video continue to get some sample shot. So guys, if your device does not support the portrait mode in front or back camera, then you can still get the portrait mode with the help of this trick. I haven't tried this trick in Android Nougat, but if you wanna do, you can try this trick in Android Nougat also. Guys, this is the first video in YouTube about this portrait mode trick with Google camera application. Guys, I haven't slept since last night because since last night I am continuously trying to find exact setting, exact version of the application and proper module. And finally I have it, and I'm making this video for you guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. You know what, you are very powerful guys, so guys do subscribe. That keep motivating me to make videos like this. So guys, that's it for this video. Do like, do subscribe, and also hit the bell icon to get notification about all of future videos. And this is Dipesh signing out. Meet you soon in the next one.